Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'll show you how to use your leftovers to make an easy fried rice meal. This is a quick recipe that you can put together faster than you can say takeout. So without further ado, let's get into the kitchen. The idea is to be able to just take everything you have in the fridge and throw it in your fried rice. So grab what you have on hand. For me, I happen to have some shrimp. I've got leftover rice that was cooked previously. I've got a couple slices of cooked ham, carrots. I have eggs on hand, so I'll also add them to the mix. We'll use green onions or scallions. Usually when I buy them at the grocery store, I always cut off the bottoms and then replant them so that I'll have green onions growing and I can cut and have them fresh and ready to go. I'll season my shrimp with a bit of soy sauce, some rice vinegar, white pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Give it a good mix and I'll set it aside. I'll slice up some carrots. If you have frozen vegetables, then you can go ahead and use those, but check your fridge and do a quick assessment to see what you have on hand. You may have some leftover bok choy or cabbage, any veggies that you haven't used up. You can just add them into this recipe, and it's a great way to get those things used up before they go bad. So you add some oil to your pan and fry your meats. You can also just do this with veggies. Leftover chicken, beef, or pork works very well. Just give them a quick stir. Set these aside. Once you've sauteed them, add a little oil to the pot, and then we'll add our rice. You can use fresh rice. I'm using rice that's coming straight from the fridge. I added the carrots into my rice at this point because I wanted them to still have a bit of a crunch. Because I usually like to have my fried rice with bean sprouts. I don't have any bean sprouts on hand, and so the carrots add a good texture of crunch. And then you're going to introduce your meats back into the rice. If you like what you see, smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. I would love to continue to provide you with amazing, quick, healthy meals that your family can enjoy. And just like that, you've made a delicious, healthy meal using leftovers from your fridge. As a thank you for watching, I've included a recipe card with the ingredients right here. Please go ahead and share the recipe with someone you love. Take care of yourself, my beloved, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.